Hi, today we are going to make a hand warmer. As you know, it is getting cold, so let's make it. We will be using this copper enamel wire for the heating element, and I got mine from a wireless charging receiver coil like this one. So first we will tape up this battery in Kapton tape so that the heat from the heater element doesn't damage it. Now we will take the copper enamel wire and wrap it around the battery like this. So in the first few turns we will overlap the wires so that it fixes itself in place. And now we will do some little spacing and keep doing it until we reach the other end of the battery. Now in the end we will use a bit of the Kapton tape to hold the wire in place like this. Now we will take a blade or a piece of sandpaper and we will scrape away the coating on the end of this wire with a blade or a piece of sandpaper. Now that this is done, we will solder one end of this wire to one of the terminals of the battery. In my case, I will do it on the positive one. Now that this end of the battery is soldered, we will take a push button and we will solder this terminal to the negative pole and this terminal be diagonally opposite of that one. We will solder it to this other end of the wire. Now to do this, I will cut off two extra diagonally opposite legs of the button. Now I will solder this switch on the negative terminal of the battery like this, and I will solder this terminal to this wire. Now that this switch is soldered on here, I will take the other wire and solder it to the other side of the switch, and I have to keep in mind not to short this terminal at the negative terminal of the battery, because then there will be a closed circuit and the heater will be always on. Now that we have soldered everything on, you can go ahead and test it out. Yes, it's warm. I can feel it. So now to charge the battery, I will solder these connectors on each end of the battery so that we can put this connector on the other side and charge it using this TP4056 charging module. So first we will connect these pins to the battery. Now that we have soldered these pins on, we will make the charging system. To make it, we basically just need a Type-C or a micro USB TP4056 charging module, and what we will do is solder these female connector wires on the battery charging pins on the B plus and the B minus, and that's basically it. Now I will just solder these on. Now that these wires are soldered on, it is ready to charge. This time I will show you people the temperature of the heating element. Now this is a humidity and a temperature sensor. So what we will do is that we will put the temperature sensor, which I found out is this black thing one. We will take it and push it out and put this back, so we have only the reading of the temperature sensor. As you can see, as I touched it, it became higher. Now if I hold it, only this sensor, not this one. In the next update, it should go up. See, it got up. So I will take a bit of Kapton tape and tape it on the heater element. Now it is back to the temperature of the battery, which is this 31.7 degrees Celsius, and now I will turn on the heater, and I am not touching the temperature sensor, and now I will turn it on. See, it is going up. As you can see, the temperature got up And when I tested it in the long run, it was going around 45-50 degrees Celsius. So it is a pretty good warmer. And now I will charge it. Now to charge it, I will connect the battery positive line to the positive terminal of the battery, which is this one, like this, and connect the negative terminal of the battery like this. And now if I put the charger, okay, so it's saying that the battery is already full charged. It is overexposed. So it is giving the blue light, which means it is already full charged. And when it is a red light, it means that the battery is charging. As you saw, this thing heats very well, and I am actually having a great time with this. I can just press this button and it is heating up. So it is very useful in the cold days, and you can make another one of these and put and use it in your both of your hands, and put your hand in the pocket. So yeah, it is getting warm. So how did you like this video? Tell me down in the comments. And if you haven't watched my previous video, go watch it. It's on screen. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.